Ayan, nagbabalik po ang homepage. Karaniwan na nating may associate ang mga dumplings sa mga Chino o mga Chinese. Kung gusto mong kumain ng dim sum, available ito sa mga Chinese restaurants. Pero hindi lahat ng dim sum ay gawang Chinese lamang ha. Dahil may hawak na akong tenedor. Ang patok na dim sum na hatid namin sa inyo ngayong umaga ay mula sa isang Philchi o Filipino-Chinese family all the way from Cebu. Kung bakit nga ba kinatatakaman at kabubusugan ang kanilang dim sums, malalaman natin yan from Mr. Don Bitara Jr., ang Marketing Associate Manager for Dim Sum Break. Good morning and welcome sa homepage, Don.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning and welcome. I would like to thank, of course, the homepage for inviting us and to the viewers of homepage.
What is the idea behind this dim sum business?
Yes, to begin with, of course, yung History and Dim Sum Break, it's actually part of the Harbor City group of restaurants based in Cebu. So we started in Cebu way back 1969, and we can say that kasi yung first branch namin was named Ding Hao. So Ding Hao means the best. So we want to offer the best of our dim sums, which means heart's delight, to the dim sum lovers in Cebu.
Ayan. Pero how is this different from the, sabi nga natin, traditional Chinese dim sum?
Yes, it's different in a way that first we have the widest variety of dim sums as for what I know.
How many varieties do you have?
So far we have more or less 25 varieties of dim sums. So that's both steamed saka fried dim sums namin.
Okay, and these are just some of the varieties you have.
Yes, these are just some of the varieties that we have.
Okay. Tell us about your steamed dim sum.
Yes, our steamed dim sums, we have of course our bestseller steamed dim sums. We have of course our Empress Roll.
Empress Roll.
Yes.
And this is made of?
That is siomai wrapped na siya in a Chinese pet chai. So of course we want to give our vegetable lovers na mga consumers of what we have.
Ayan. But of course, sabi mo nga, there's fried dim sum, ano? And meron curious ako, ano itong flowery dim sum na nandito dito?
Yes, that's our fried wonton. That's our siomai wrapped in a wonton wrapper.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and aside from that, you have this parang ball siya.
Yes, puffy siya.
Puffy.
Yes. So, it's, that we call that the fried stuffed taro. Fried stuffed taro. So, in stuffed taro namin, that is taro dough. We use a taro dough to it. So when we say taro dough, yun yung gabi. We use agave to do it.
Okay. So ano yung mga must try? Para halimbawa ako first time ako pupunta doon sa dim sum break, ano yung must try na dim sum na dapat hindi kalimutan?
Okay. So first and foremost, we have of course our original recipe. We have the original steamed fried rice.
Oh, this is the steamed fried rice.
Yes, the steamed fried rice.
I heard a lot about this. So hindi pwedeng hindi ko siya titikman.
So that's what made us famous in Cebu. And of course, that's what making us famous here in Manila right now.
Ano yung made nitong
So yung steamed fried rice namin, that is a seasoned brown rice sa ilalim.
Ayun,
and
brown rice siya sa ilalim.
It with pork and shrimp in a special sauce. So makita natin, we have of course our real pork and shrimps on top, and it is topped with a very flavorful sauce.
Uy, winner! Winner siya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ayan. Masarap. Tara, punta muna kayo dito para makatikim kayo. And of course, habang in-interview natin si Don,
Hi.
Pero, usually, ang dim sum ay sinasawsaw natin sa soy sauce and calamansi. But sa inyo, different, di ba?
Yes, it's different. Kasi
you don't encourage toyo and calamansi.
Yes. Kasi here in Manila, actually, we have this, kapag sinabi natin dim sum or siomai, kailangan gagamitin toyo sa calamansi. But if we want to taste the real pork and shrimp sa siomai namin, we encourage, of course, our customers to try yung siomai namin or dim sums namin. We have three special sauces. We have the ginger sauce, we have the chili sauce, and we have the sweet and sour.
So this is the ginger.
For calamansi.
No need for calamansi.
And even without the sauces, ma'am, you can actually taste the flavor of our siomai.
Pero for steamed dim sum, what is yung sauce recommended for steamed dim sum?
For steamed dim sums, we recommend, of course, our ginger sauce.
So this is quail egg.
Yes, that's quail's egg siomai.
Quail
And
egg.
we have the chili sauce. And for our fried dim sums, we recommend, of course, our sweet and sour sauce.
Pero sabi nga, to know the taste, if it's really delicious, you should taste it without the sauce.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo. Yun yung alam kong secret sa pagkain ng dim sum eh.
So, itong may bacon.
Yes, that's our
Na may
siomai po.
siomai na may bacon.
Yes.
Oh, yeah?
That's one of our best sellers.
pinakain ko?
That's our siomai po, our regular siomai.
What's your best seller among these?
For our, lahat to, ma'am, actually, what we brought here are best sellers already.
okay.
So, since we have 25 varieties and we're thinking baka di na magkasya sa letter, we just brought our
The best seller.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero ako sa isa
masarap
you
na.
taste
Oh my
this.
God.
Kasi ibang klase siya. And then, para sa mga vegetarian, there's the dim sum
Ano yan,
with
Paano
Chinese
mo ba
pad
siya?
thai.
Yeah, Chinese pad thai.
Okay. So, originally, you're from Cebu.
Yes,
Pero bakit pumunta kayo dito sa Manila?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, in Cebu, ma'am, we have 15 branches already, and we can say na our Cebuanos really love our dim sum. So, it's time for us to expand, and there's no way to expand but to go in Manila. Of course, the market is different, the market is bigger. So, we want to try, of course, the market here in Manila. And so far, being here in Manila for like 5 months already,
How was
kasi
it so far?
we're actually overwhelmed by the welcome of the Manileños to our products.
Kasi namimiss na daw ng mga taga Cebu
Yes.
itong
Makain
produktong
na
ito.
ako ng dim sum eh.
So, oo.
Makain ako ng dim sum.
Ayan. So, dinala nila dito para hindi na mag-order from Cebu.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan. And we wish you good luck
Yes,
in
thank you
your
very much.
expansion.
Bea,
Maraming
dinala nila yung home for
salamat.
you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Ayan. Ang atin pong, itong hawak ko ay, ang tawag dito?
That's our crab pincher.
Crab
ma'am.
pincher. So, isa dun sa bestseller.
Yeah,
So,
yes, ma'am.
you must try all of this din. So, naku, napakasarap po.
Parang lahat yata best
Tama
seller.
ka.
Oo.
Yes.
Again, maraming salamat kay Don.
Thank you very much,
Si
ma'am.
Don Vitaria Jr., Marketing Associate Manager for Dim Sum Break.
Yes, ma'am.
So, dyan lamang kayo dahil tinikman namin lahat to. Magbabalik ang homepage.
Bye!